Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone is doing great. Hi, this is Saloni, or I should start as I always do in my videos. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Dentistry to the Point. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Dentist Saloni Jain, and we make videos related to dentistry on our channel. It's a pleasure to welcome all of you today for Dentistry to the Point presents Dentar 2021, the fourth webinar of the series and the end of our event. Once again, DTTP would like to thank each one of you from the bottom of our hearts for making us reach our 10,000 subscribers. Your overwhelming love and constant support made us reach here. The journey so far has been incredibly beautiful, and I would like Drumil to share a bit as to how we landed into this.
Hello everyone, good afternoon, good evening. Hope everyone is doing well and is safe. I know many of you might know our channel and me, but I'll still introduce myself. Hi, I'm Dr. Drumil Manik. I thank you all for showing so much confidence in our channel and in us. This success is totally dedicated to you. Frankly speaking, Dentistry to the Point started with no big motive. Like, it was a constant thought in my mind that how can we make dentistry a little bit easy and interesting as we have faced it ourselves. When I used to study for my graduation, I used to search videos, flowcharts, rather than reading paragraphs in the books, which would make my subject as well as topics easier. That's when it clicked in my mind that why not I should start making videos and make things simple for the other graduates. So inspired by the dialogue of Three Idiots, put the pedal on the pedal, accelerator dabao, go out there and make history. Wahi kiya, but history is yet to be made. Hopefully, with all your support and blessings, we come out with this venture with more success and flying colors in coming future.
So with this, we return back and start with our last event of the final day of Dentar 2021. The schedule is as follows. From 4 to 6 or 5:30, we have a debate competition on the topic dentist success is more dependent on marketing rather than quality of work in the era of social media, followed by a webinar by a magnificent personality, our honorable guest speaker, Dr. Sujit Pardesi sir, who would also be judging the debate competition. All quoted words are less for the one and only, our guest speaker and the judge for the event, Dr. Sujit Pardesi sir. I welcome you, sir, to Dentar 2021. We are really obliged to share this platform with you, and we are really thankful to you, sir, for taking out time for us. I would like you to brace the participants with your valuable words, sir.
Okay, so first of all, thank you so much, Saloni and Drumil, and thank you to the point. Absolutely on the point and to the point you people are. And that's how it should be. So accept my congratulations and my compliments for completing the 10K subscribers. And you're doing a fantastic work with doing it in the future as well. And when it comes to like the debate competition for the afternoon, so I just wish all the best to everybody, because whatever the briefing, the different rounds and everything, I think that has been already conveyed to the participants. Or if not, Drumil or Saloni, you can just take over and brief them if there is anything. But from my side, so being a judge, I don't want to open my cards and give you guys any kind of thing. The only thing is do your best and get the rest. That's what matters. Over to you.
Thank you so much, sir, for motivating the participants. Again, I would like to mention that having you is our pleasure, and thank you very much for your time. I would like to welcome Dr. Jash Shah, who is a very dear friend of us, plus a dedicated dentist pursuing masters in prosthetics, who would be moderating the competition. Thank you, Dr. Jash, for taking out time for Dentistry to the Point from your busy schedule and helping us go through it smoothly. It wouldn't have been possible without your support. Now we'd like Dr. Jash to take over with this competition.
Hello everyone. First of all, a very, very good evening to Dr. Sujit Pardesi sir. It is an honor to have you, sir, on this platform, judging the event and me moderating it. And a big, big thank you to Saloni and Drumil for letting me do this, as I've been into debating all this time. but moderating it was a challenging task, and deciding the rules and everything was a tough one. So also, as we were talking about yesterday, that it was just a few months back that we were discussing about 1K subscribers, and now we have 10,000, maybe more now. If you look at the channel, there are more than 10K subscribers. So a big hit to both of you, and God bless you both. I would wish a lot more success to both of you.
Thank you so much, Josh.
Coming back to the debate, a dentist's success is more dependent on marketing rather than quality of work in the era of social media. Speaking for the motion are Divyaraj, Dr. Harsh Parikh, Pratibha, Dr. Saurabh Malik. Speaking against the motion will be Akshara Nair, Dinesh Kumar, Adhikansh Jaggi, and Abhishek Maikar. Is everybody here? Drumel, is everybody online?
Yeah, everyone is there, Josh.
Okay. So, first of all, I'll brief up with all the rounds and how we go about with the debate. So, there are in all 3 rounds. Round 1 is basically the introduction round, which will have a short part of your introduction first, a 10-15 second introduction about yourself, who you are. And then you will be giving an introduction speech regarding the topic, about what you feel about the topic, about marketing and how it goes about. You must have a proper starting statement and a concluding statement in the speech, as you were already previously told in the rules, and also have legible examples to support your statement. So that will include the entire speech of whatever you were saying. Then we'll have the main round, that is the round 2, the rebuttal round. Well, actually calling it the fighting round, but to put it in subtle words, it will be the rebuttal round. So that round will contain question and answer round. You will be, all the participants speaking for the motion will be asked to ask any one participant from against the motion to ask a question. So supposedly, I would say the first participant, I would ask Divyaraj to ask a question to any one participant speaking against the motion. You don't have to cross-question all the participants. It will be one-on-one. So the rebuttal round, you have to be very careful. Listen to the speech of the first round, and on basis of that, you have to form your question and ask to the other participant. You cannot beat around the bush. Please stay to the point. And please form your question in just 1 or 2 lines and ask the other participant. For the same thing will go for the against the motion. After we complete everybody from for the motion, against the motion, each participant will be given a chance to ask a question to the opposite team. That will any one participant of the opposite team, and you can discuss, but you cannot ask more than one question. You will be allowed to only ask one question, and the discussion, the rebuttal will go on that particular question. So that is your second round. I hope everybody is clear. And your judging will be based on both your question and answer. So please be very particular and to the point. So then we coming forward to the third round. The final round will contain the last final concluding statement. After evaluating the entire debate, whatever you feel regarding it, you will be saying it in your concluding statement. It will be a 1-minute round. The first introduction speech is 2.5 minutes, but the concluding speech, you can keep it very short, to the point, and just in 1 minute you will have to conclude. Okay, is everybody clear with everything? If any questions, please ask right away before we start the debate. Okay, we'll go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay. So I once again welcome you all, and we move forward with our participants. Firstly, starting with the participants from against the motion, I would request Akshara Nair to please on the mic as well as the camera, as you are our first speaker, Akshara. And Dr. Dhumil will be keeping the time. Please take note that you speak only for 2.5 minutes.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
A wise man once said, "What comes easy won't last, and what lasts won't come easy." A very good evening to one and all. I'm Akshara Nair, a 3rd BDS student from PMS College of Dental Science and Research, Kerala. The House believes that a dentist's success becomes more dependent on marketing rather than the quality of their work in the era of social media, and I will be speaking strictly against the motion. The opposition would have you believe that in today's state, as compared to the skills a dentist should possess, marketing him is much more important in order to succeed, as if he's some kind of commodity. I'm pretty convinced of the fact that none of my friends from the opposition have ever heard of the Dentist Code of Ethics regulations, which clearly states that advertising, whether directly or indirectly, promoting or even directing attention to the practitioner's skill or knowledge, etc., is defined as not only unethical, it is illegal in a country like India since 1976. Now, in order to prove that a dentist's success is more dependent on his skills rather than the show he puts on in any era, please consider two situations. The first situation is when we have a dentist who has poor clinical skills but good marketing skills and social media presence. The question is, what exactly is he advertising? His poor clinical skills, or is he conning innocent people into believing that he has good clinical skills? Second point is that, disillusioned by his charming social media presence, certain people might actually go to him for treatment only to realize the reality of how well they've been duped. The same patients will then leave him negative testimonials on social media platforms, and by word of mouth, which, mind you, spreads like wildfire, this dentist patient base will only be a handful of people he is successfully able to deceive. Second situation is when we have a dentist with excellent clinical skills and zero marketing skills. Initially, there will be dearth of patients just like any other profession. His patient base will mainly include his relatives, neighbors, friends, people living in the vicinity of the clinic with whom, over the years, by virtue of his superior clinical skills, soft skills, behavior, he will develop a relationship of trust and that of reliability. Not only will these patients keep coming back to him for as long as they're alive, they will also recommend and advertise the same dentist to their relatives, colleagues, and neighbors without the dentist even trying, resulting in amassing a steady patient base and an escalating dentist success rate. In the end, I'd like to remind everyone that marketing is to be done on the basis of your clinical skills, not vice versa. Therefore, clinical skills are any day more important than marketing. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshara. That was truly to the point, and we did quite understand how you feel about the topic. You were very clear to whatever you said.
Thank you so much.
As I would like to also notify each participant that as Akshara clearly notified that she was speaking against the motion. So I would like all the other participants also to introduce just one statement, how strongly, whether you're speaking for the motion or against the motion, because that will lay an impact. So now I would give alternate chances to both the groups. So now we'll go for the motion. The first participant is Divyaraj. Divyaraj will be speaking for the motion.
Hello.
Yes, Divyaraj.
A very good evening to everyone. Today, I am speaking for the motion in this topic. Good evening, everyone. My name is Dr. Divyaraj Talera, and I am a recent BDS graduate from Sri Aurobindo College of Dentistry, Indore. तो आज का टॉपिक है कि मार्केटिंग क्या है, मार्केटिंग डेंटिस्ट्री में इम्पोर्टेंट है या क्लिनिकल स्किल्स ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. मुझे लगता है कि मार्केटिंग ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. सबसे पहले बात करने से पहले मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि मार्केटिंग क्या होती है. मार्केटिंग का मतलब होता है कि किसी भी कंपनी के सामान को आप बेस्ट पॉसिबल वे में दिखा करके और उसको आप एडवर्टाइज करो. अब इस स्टेटमेंट में कंपनी क्या होगी, और ये होगी डेंटल सामान हो गया, हमारी सर्विसेज. और एडवर्टाइज करने के बहुत सारे तरीके, जैसे कि हो गया सोशल मीडिया या माउथ टू माउथ पब्लिसिटी. बिना मार्केटिंग के किसी भी डेंटिस्ट के लिए ग्रो करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. अगर आपके पास बहुत अच्छी स्किल्स हो और आप कहीं पे बैठे हैं ऐसे एरिया में जहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोगों की अप्रोच नहीं है, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन नहीं है, तो आपकी स्किल्स का क्या फ़ायदा. एक अच्छी जगह पर एक अच्छे मार्केट में आपका क्लिनिक लेकर के बैठना भी मार्केटिंग के अंदर में आता है. वो भी एक तरह की मार्केटिंग होगी. साथ में अगर आप अच्छे केसेस कर रहे हैं, अच्छी चीज़ें कर रहे हैं, अगर आप उसको सोशल मीडिया पे डालते हैं तो उसमें मुझे नहीं लगता कि कुछ खराबी है या कुछ भी उसमें इलीगल है. एक तरीके से आपके लोगों को या आपके जानने वाले लोगों को, आपसे जुड़े हुए लोगों को आपके बारे में पता चलेगा कि आप कितने स्किलफुल हैं या आप क्या क्या सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, जिनसे वो आपके पास आएंगे और आप उनको वो सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करवा सकते हैं. तो मेरा यही मानना है कि मार्केटिंग से डेंटिस्ट्री ग्रो ही करती है. ऐसा नहीं है कि स्किल्स की वजह से सिर्फ आप बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रो कर सकते हो डेंटिस्ट्री में, साथ में मार्केटिंग का होना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. थैंक यू.
Okay. Thank you so much, Divyaraj. Sujit sir, if I would like you, if whatever you want to speak in between or ask any participant, you can for sure do it. If at all you have any doubts or any questions to them.
No. To be frank, I think I could not jump into that simply because someone is speaking for it, someone is speaking against it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so if I start putting my point of view, I think the entire debate will get influenced or biased
Sure,
towards
sir.
or against something.
Yes, sir,
So
definitely.
I'm a judge. Okay, so whatever I want to talk about it, I'll talk it at 6:30. That would be better.
Oh, for sure, sir. We're waiting for it. Okay, so the next participant we have is Dinesh Kumar.
Good evening, sir.
Against the motion. Dinesh,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Shall I start, sir?
Sure.
Hi, everybody. A warm good evening to one and all present here. I am C. Dinesh Kumar, studying third year BDS from RVS Dental College, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I am going to talking about against the motion, that is, dentist success is dependent on his skills rather than its marketing skills. Because in case for a marketing purpose also, we need to provide a good skill works. Without having a good skill work, if you show rubbish works in the Instagram or any other web pages, it won't be a good success. Then we can take us to clinical situations like a patient comes to you with many gross decayed tooth. I'll bet you if you provide him a good implant or any other foot mouth rehabilitation technique, I'll assure you he will be bringing you hundreds of patients in return to you rather than you market in any other website. Just make use of your patients as your models. Don't with your interesting tactic hand skills. Don't rely upon only on the social medias for going to a good, well-developed clinic atmosphere, because not everyone will be believing on you depending upon the Instagram skills what you show. Rather than the patient's own words will speak you a lot than the what advertisement you are giving to in the any other social medias. In case most of our dental schools itself teaching us to go with more and more hand skills in cavity preparations, in tooth preparations, in water technique, in RCT, anything you do, most of our teachers will insist us to do with good hand skills rather than asking us to go for any social media skills. So that way inherently we will be trained to do good skills, to have a good clinic, to have a good atmosphere, to have a good successful dentistry life. Rather than it's not I'm not saying that it is not completely against going for Instagram orders. To publish a good advertisement in social medias also, you should have a good skill. Without having a good hand skill, if you post anything that is not proper, for example, if it is an unfit crown, if you're giving to a patient and you're just putting in social medias, that won't get you any patients or any reputations to you. For even for advertisement, you need a good hand skilled model rather than to have a good social skills or having many followers in Instagrams or any other pages. It won't going to be work for you. Trust me, if you did one patient, for example, if he's a TMD disorder patient, he went to lot of dentistans, lot of doctors.
Dinesh,
If
the
he does
time is
not,
up. Thank you, Dinesh.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dinesh. Okay. Now the next participant we have is Dr. Harsh Parekh, who will be speaking for the motion.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Harsh Parekh and I am practicing in Vadodara since 5 years. So I believe that I will speaking for them. And I believe that I am practicing since 5 years, so I can put some justice in this topic because I have the experience. And so I will say that why not to market the things where we are confident and we know that we are good at this work. And I am talking about this era because I have practiced with the senior dentist who is having his dental practice since 30 years, and according to him, he was not bothered about this thing. But I am. But at that time, the rate of the dentists who are coming out and who are opening the clinic, that was very less. And almost in my entire city, he was saying that 20 to 30 dentists, practicing dentists was there. And right now, if there is a 5 complexes in an area, we can expect that in each of the complex, 1 or 2 dentists will come. So we have to, if we are starting with our practice, and we have to portray that we are doing this work and we are excellent in this work. And I will talk about this quality of the treatment. I want to ask a question, that who is the judge? If a celebrity dentist he is doing this restorative treatment with a good carving, and he is putting some stains on that, and he is carving these grooves and cusp and all this, making anatomy in the molar, and one new dentist who is fresher, he is using the same composite, same restoration, so same treatment, rubber dam, all the things, isolation, Teflon work, all the things, but he is not adding these stains. So if he is if the celebrity dentist has done the work.
Time up, Harsh. Harsh, your time is up. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Harsh. We may move on to Adhikansh Jaggi. Adhikansh will be speaking against the motion. Adhikansh, you're not audible. I think you should not use the headphones. Just speak like.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, speak louder.
There's a saying, hustle silently and your work will speak by itself. A very warm good evening to Honorable Judge, dear sir, ma'am, and all my fellow mates. Myself, Adhikansh Jaggi, BDS second year students from Sri Aurobindo College of Dentistry, and I would speak against the motion, as our topic for today's debate is a dentist's success is more dependent on marketing rather than the quality of work. Yeah, we all know today's era is of digitalization. The one who controls the media controls everything. But it might be true for any profession. In dentistry, it is not so true. It is a myth. Because if you are doing your marketing, the example, your rosters are everywhere, your hoardings on road. Then you can make patients come to your clinic. Yeah, very well. But if you can't provide them up to your mark, they will not retain. And we all know, we are all dentists, and we know that in dentistry, patients are very unpredictable. We need more than one appointment for a patient to complete his findings and to serve what he wants. But if we are not good at our work, we are not up to the mark, we can't provide them the quality of work, they will not come after their first appointment. Because in dentistry, we have to do field work, we have to take dentures, we have to do teeth setting, we have to do extraction, and it all needs our quality of work. Without quality, by solely depending on our promotion, on our hoardings, on our social media, we can't sustain patient. And in the conclusion, I would like to say that the dentistry is more about how you work on your patient, how you correlate with them, how you compare their findings, how you serve them. It is not about what your hoardings say, because in country like India, people today also in this modern world, they believe what your former patient has to say about you. They don't believe what your poster says. They believe what your former patient says about you. And the mouth publicity is the only thing which works here, not your publicity on social media, your hoardings, or your advertisement. So your work will speak, not your advertisement.
Thank you, Adhikansh. Next, we have, speaking for the motion, Pratibha Thakur. Pratibha, are you there with us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello everyone. A very warm good evening to Sujit sir, Drumil sir, Saloni ma'am, and Just sir. So I'm for the motion that dentist success is more dependent on marketing rather than the quality of work. I don't say that work not important, but marketing is more important because knowledge and skill without proper opportunity is zero. No matter how good clinician you are, how good clinical setup you are having, if people around you don't know that you exist. Because I say because in this pandemic era, we all are on social media. Everyone is having phone in their mobile in their hand. Even you will be surprised to know that data that around 216 million people are the online social media user in 2016, and now it reached to 340 million in 2020. So now you can understand that online presence is as important as a skill, I can say now, because you can represent your skill, yourself, your clinical work and awareness. Also you can say to your patient that how many clinical setups and how many facilities you are having, because you can't aware a huge amount of patient or users by sitting only in your AC air conditions clinic setups. Along with, I will give just a little example. If you have to choose between a toothpaste, one is named Colgate and the other is named something like Aroma, having the same content, how much long time you will take to decide which toothpaste you are going to buy? Obviously, you will go for Colgate. So these things say that marketing is important. Colgate then marketing is also having that it is the best in all the toothpaste. Same if you go in any city, just in any new city, and if you are having any dental problem or anything, any health issue, you will just open your mobile and search about that doctor जिसके पास भी आपको जाना है, and you will see feedback and rating and comments. Then you will decide. You will not go to your पड़ोसी or neighbor and ask that कि कौन से डॉक्टर के पास जाना है. So here I conclude that marketing is more important than the work. Work is also important, but marketing is more important in this era, in this digital era. Thank you.
Thank you, Pratibha, for presenting the facts. Now, coming to the last participant of Against the Motion, Abhishek Maikar.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Abhishek will be speaking against the motion.
Good evening, one and all. Myself, Abhishek Maikar. I'm studying in Yogita Dental College, Khed, Ratnagiri. So today's my topic is dentist success is more important, depends on marketing rather than the quality work. So I will be against the marketing. So as we know, today each and everyone, the people knows that जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. But still, I will say कि many of the things जो नहीं दिखते वो भी बिके जाते हैं और चलते हैं. For example, I will say कि Audi car जिसकी मार्केटिंग की जरूरत नहीं होती है. और next thing the Reliance, धीरूभाई अंबानी जी का. So उनको भी मार्केटिंग की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. The brand itself promote all the things. So such in that case, we are a brand such as dentist. We are a brand and we are going to give a good quality work to the patients. So we are not able to do the marketing because the marketing should not be done by ourselves. We are not a salesman. We are a doctor. We are a reputed person. And the dentist is playing a good role in the societies. So it is a valuable part in the dentistry. So we should do the practice, and whatever we are doing, whatever we have studied, we should be stick to that, and we should avoid the practicing. We should do the practicing and avoid the marketing. Thank you. Hello.
Thank you, Abhishek. Having the last participant of round one, speaking for the motion, will be Dr. Saurabh Malik. Saurabh sir, to you.
हाँ, आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Today I am here to speak for the motion. I am going to tell about marketing, how marketing is essential. The thing is कि अगर हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे स्किल एक्वायर कर लिए, मैं सबसे बढ़िया आरसीटी करता हूँ, मैं सबसे बढ़िया दांत उखाड़ता हूँ, मैं सब कुछ करता हूँ, जो तो अपने नजर में whatever is of my best, मैं जो भी कर रहा हूँ वो बेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन अभी मेरे पास पेशेंट नहीं है, तो what I cannot display my skills. whatever skill I am having, whatever skill I have acquired, I cannot display it. So marketing plays an important role, but it is not only one and only factor which contributes to success. So we have to take important things of marketing, कि जैसे marketing, or even one of the participants who told that marketing is unethical, there is an exception. We can do marketing when we open a clinic, when we join any new ventures, or जब हम लोग अपने clinic extension करते, नए location में change करते, ये सब करते, तो इसमें exception है कि we can advertise and do marketing. So it is not completely unethical, and till now there is no strict law against कि हम लोग मार्केटिंग नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, अगर तुम्हारे पास पेशेंट आएगा तभी तो तुम उस पर कुछ दिखा पाओगे. इफ पेशेंट इज नॉट कमिंग, देयर इज नो फुटफॉल, हाउएवर बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट, वर्ल्ड बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट यू आर डूइंग, बट पेशेंट इज नॉट टर्निंग अप टू यू. ये थोड़ा मार्केटिंग अभी by the time it will accelerate your works, that will be shown to everyone, so that everyone appreciates your work and comes to you back. And since you have done that work, you can do the same. और तुम उससे भी बढ़िया काम करो, वो मार्केटिंग तुमको और अच्छा बेनिफिट देगा. इफ वी आर डूइंग अच्छा काम नहीं है हमारा, तब मार्केटिंग इज नॉट एसेंशियल फॉर यू. अगर अपना काम अच्छा नहीं है तो मैं दूसरों को क्या दिखाऊंगा? मेरे को दिखाने का काम नहीं है, जो भी मिल रहा है उसको करके चुपचाप बैठने का. दिस इज व्हाट आई फील. ओके, थैंक यू.
Okay, thank you, Saurabh sir. Now we're done with all the participants and round one. Each of you have said your say about whatever you wanted to regarding the topic, and I think it was pretty clear with everybody why you support the topic. Coming to the second round, that is the rebuttal round. I will be asking one participant. We'll be starting with for the motion. And I'll be first asking the Viraj to ask a question to any of the participant against the motion. Here, I would request the participant who is speaking, who is questioning, to please on your mic and camera, and the participant from against the motion who will be answering to please on the mic and the camera. Okay? So that there is less disturbance, and please be very clear with your question. And please keep it to the point. Please don't go around, beat around the bush. Please frame the question properly in your mind and ask. So first we'll go with the Viraj. Are you ready? Okay. Ask the question. To whom?
Sir, I will be asking my question to Dinesh.
Okay. Dinesh, can you please? Yeah.
So should I start?
Yes.
दिनेश जी, आपको लगता है कि मार्केटिंग जरूरी नहीं है?
One minute, sir. I don't know Hindi, sir. Could you please ask me in English?
Okay, I will do that for you. So, according to you, marketing is not necessary, right?
No, sir. I'm not saying it's not completely unnecessary. I'm saying you should have a good artistic work. There is a good work should be there for a good marketing to be shown. Without having a good skill work, you cannot show it to the marketing areas. If you show that to the markets, if a patient comes to you.
Let me ask my full question first.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
So, I want you to imagine a condition that you are practicing in a remote village area, in a rural area, where a patient doesn't know anything about root canal treatment or further extensive procedures. He just know about the extraction of the tooth and all. That's all. Okay. So if a patient with good periodontal condition comes to you and ask you for the treatment, and you know that if you will go with the root canal treatment, that will be fair and good for the patient. So will you explain him about the benefits of root canal or not? Or you will just extract the tooth and provide him medicines?
No, sir. I'll ask him. I'll explain him about the root canal treatment efficiency. That no restorative material in the world can meet your own tooth in your oral cavity. I'll just explain him, and I'll ask him to save your tooth as much as possible. And I'll also explain him what will happen if he extract. If it is a 3/6 or 4/6, I'll say there will be a bone loss. It will indirectly affect your aesthetical appearance. I'll just explain him various treatment modalities, and moreover, I will not be a judgment maker there. I'll put on all the options I can, including the extraction, what you said to me. I'll ask the patient to choose rather than I'll be asking him to choose the options. I'll be giving the options and I'll explain each options as much as possible to him to be understood, sir.
So you are providing him with all the options which you have, which you can do with all your skills, whether you can go with the root canal treatment or a dental implant after extraction, right? So that is also a part of marketing, na?
So no, so it's not a part of marketing.
Listen to me first. If you will not explain the patient about all the procedures and about all what you can do without marketing, just only having skills will not help you.
So no, sir, you are asking me that I'm asking and I'll give you a marketing. Let me finish, sir. You're asking that you are saying that I'm marketing my treatment options. So it's not a marketing. Saying all the treatment option is a basic step, is a basic fundamental step in practicing dentistry. We should give all the treatment options as much as we can to the patients. It is not a part of marketing. It comes as a marketing when I say particular companies like Densec, Densera, this is the best company. If I say that, that is a marketing part for that particular company.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
Viraj, just last one statement from you and one statement from Dinesh, and then we end this.
Okay, sir.
Just one statement.
Should I say?
Yeah, sure. First say, Viraj.
Dinesh, according to you, it is not marketing, but I would like to mention that even putting a board with your name on the clinic is a part of marketing, and showing what all your skills you have is also a part of marketing. So if you will not tell patient that you can do the following procedure, that patient will also go and tell to other patients or other patient in that area. So that will be a part of marketing, and without marketing, I don't think that it will be fruitful for a dentist to practice.
Okay. Dinesh, your final statement.
Yes, sir. You're saying that marketing. For marketing, I should provide good material. For good material, I should have a good skill. So, directly or indirectly, marketing is entirely dependent upon what the hand skills you have and what the hand skill work you export to the markets.
Okay. Thank you, both of you. We move forward to the next rebuttal. We have Dr. Harsh Parikh, who spoke for the motion. Harsh?
Yes.
Please direct your question. Whom would you like to ask the question to?
I want to ask this question to Abhishek.
Abhishek Maikar, if you could please.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so in his speech, he said that dentist himself is a brand, and he don't require marketing. And he also gave the example of Reliance. If we have seen the IPL of this year, at each and every ad, there was this ad of Jio. So he is doing doing this thing. And the second thing is उसने तो रिलायंस से तो 1 साल के लिए फ्री नेट दे दिया, यही रीजन के लिए. So marketing is I think that if he is saying that if just by brand, I want to say, as I am practicing at my city since 5 years, and there are so many brands. As he is saying that dentist himself is a brand, so there are so many brands in same area. Then how the patient will know that to which brand to go?
Hello.
Abhishek, your counter to him.
Yes, sir. That's a nice question. As we know that I have suggested that marketing is not more important, because whatever you are doing, rather than I will be investing the money in advertising, I will spend the money in my good quality product, as well as I will make a good quality material cement or instruments. Whatever will be good quality material will be helpful for the patient. And rather than giving an advertise in the market over this is going on and all these things, so better I will do my work in proper way. The public who are the patient is coming to me, they will themselves only do whatever they want to do. that I am not going to invest the money for the patient or any advertisement, or go and do the publicity for myself that I'm doing a good job. It's my benefit as I am a doctor. I want to do a good job and good quality work, and I want to make a smile for the patient. That's it.
I want to ask you that if you are having a microscope, you are doing a microscopic root canal treatment at your clinic, and suppose one patient is there and he specifically wants this, that he requires a root canal treatment, and from somehow he knows this thing that there is this thing like root canal can also be done by microscope, and it can, if the root canal is done in this way, then the chances that the root canal is will last will be more. So how will you market this? You are saying that you will not market and save your money to buy this equipment, but you have to market that your clinic has facility of microscope.
See, I'm a doctor and he is a patient. He does that much don't have a knowledge about the equipments, whatever I have, right? He knows just I am a dentist, and he might be coming in that mindset that I am a doctor and I might be having an equipment, everything. As we go in the exam, for example, as we going in the garage, we don't see that they are having all sets of pana and all that, okay, tools. So in that condition, the patient will be coming in, it will be in my way. I have to take him in that way that he will be getting all the facilities and benefit in that way, only in proper things.
Okay, I think it was answered. I think we'll stop this out here, and we move forward with the next participant. We have Pratibha Thakur.
Hello, everyone.
Pratibha spoke for the motion, and I would request, whom would you like to ask the question to, Pratibha?
Akshara Nair.
Akshara, okay. Akshara, can we have you online?
Sure, sir.
Hi, Akshara. A few days ago, one of my Instagram followers asked me about his relative who was just a COVID recovered patient, having jaw pain and swelling around his mandibular region. He just know me because he was a follower and I generally updates my dental cases picture of my departments. That's why he knows me just from the Instagram. So if I not updated my pics around my dental cases, how he would know me? So I think marketing is more important. So what you have to say about this? Generally, you can't explain. Either that patient, if I not referred the patient to my professor, he might be died or something else critical he can be.
Okay, first of all, Dr. Pratibha Thakur, I would like to confirm that I will never agree with you that marketing or advertisement is essential in dentistry because it goes against the rules. Like I mentioned in my speech, the Dentist Code of Ethics Regulations, and since I consider myself a law-abiding citizen, I don't know about you, I consider myself a law-abiding citizen, so I'll never go on to marketize myself. And I wasn't able to get your question really, you weren't clear with it.
If I not updated my pics about the dental cases, which I practice in my college, nowadays I'm a final year student from GT Sindor, then the patient doesn't know me, how he can just explain his patient condition to me if he don't know that he sees a doctor or not. So it's better now.
So basically, Akshara, her question is that if she doesn't upload continuously on social media, how will the people come to know about whether she's practicing dentistry or whether what kind of cases she does?
Because it's a real life experience, that's why I'm questioning about this.
Sure. First of all, when you consider people, you don't go out there looking at ads on Instagram and decide, okay, I should go to this person living thousands of kilometers away. When you are a person, when you're having some kind of problem in your oral cavity or anywhere, you search up Google or you find out whoever the dentist is who lives closest to you, and then you will go on to that person. But if you are to look, if you're looking at Instagram, if you're looking at Instagram and they look at your...
You will be given a chance to speak. Just a second. Akshara, complete in 2 more statements.
But if you are to look at a person who is on Instagram, who's advertising himself, but lives hundreds of kilometers away, then the patient will be forced to think whether or not I should go to that dentist who's living hundreds of kilometers away. Only if the dentist is that qualified, only if his skills are that unparalleled, only if the patient believes that I will never find a dentist like him anywhere else, only then will the patient come. Which again proves my point that skills are more important than marketing. Otherwise, everyone will just go to the dentist who lives nearby.
So I'm saying that Google is also social media. If a patient search anything on the social media like a Google or anything, he will search a dentist or see feedback or everything. That is also social media marketing.
That is social media, and you have not understood the point of the topic. Nobody is saying marketing is not at all okay. They are saying marketing is more important than surgical skills. Here you are saying that surgical skills के बिना हम marketing करेंगे तो हम successful हो जाएंगे. ऐसे नहीं होता ना. That is the point.
Because of marketing, huge people can know me. They know that I'm a dentist, and they can come and ask the various questions they are having, and I can solve it. So it will give them an intuition that I am credible to that, and they will trust me more better, which I can't do sitting just in a clinic.
They would much rather go to a dentist who lives nearby. If they have a problem, they would immediately take off for a person who lives nearby. Not sit to DM a celebrity dentist.
Okay, cool. Yeah, we're done there, and I think there was a good rebuttal. Now we come forward with the last participant of speaking for the motion, Dr. Saurabh Malik. So I would like to put forward your question.
I would also like to question Akshara.
I thought so from your introduction speech.
Yeah. मैं हिंदी में बोलूं? Are you comfortable in Hindi?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. ठीक है. ऐसा है कि if you have started on clinic, okay, you have acquired all the skills whatever you wanted to practice. मैंने एक्सट्रैक्शन अच्छे से इम्पैक्शन सब कुछ सीख लिया, आरसीटी सीख लिया, ऑर्थो भी ऑन एवरेज बेसिक सा सीख लिया कि हाँ जो भी नॉर्मल 80% ऑफ द पेशेंट्स है उसको मैं कर सकूं, ऐसा मैंने सब कुछ सीख लिया. ठीक है, मैंने एक क्लिनिक खोला लेकिन वहां पे मेरे पास पेशेंट नहीं आ रहा. व्हाट इज योर नेक्स्ट स्टेप फॉरवर्ड?
पेशेंट जरूर आएंगे. आप अपना क्लिनिक ऐसी जगह में नहीं रखेंगे जहाँ पे कोई रहता ही नहीं है. एक बंजर जमीन में तो आप अपना क्लिनिक जाके खोलेंगे नहीं. जरूर ऐसी जगह पे रखेंगे ना जहाँ पे लोग ऑलरेडी रहते हैं. इफ यू डोंट डू दैट देन यू आर स्टूपिड, देन योर डिसीजन वाज नॉट राइट टू ओपन योर क्लिनिक इन अ प्लेस वेयर नोबडी ऑलरेडी स्टेज. यू विल ऑलवेज, इफ यू आर क्लेवर, इफ यू आर इंटेलिजेंट, यू वुड गो ऑन टू इनॉग्रेट योर क्लिनिक और स्टार्ट अ क्लिनिक वेयर पीपल आर ऑलरेडी लिविंग, right? Or you would start from your home at least. Take out a room, start from a home. And if you're starting from your home, you would always have your neighbors, you would always have your family. Even if you start on a barren land, at least your family members will come to you, right? At least your closest friends will come to you. And if at all your family members and your closest friends are coming to you, if they are convinced that you have good clinical skills, अगर उनको समझ आता है कि हाँ इनमें कुछ बात है, तो वो जरूर जाके अपने फ्रेंड्स को, अपने रिलेटिव्स को, अपने कॉलीग्स को बताएंगे कि ऐसे एक डेंटिस्ट है, उनके पास जाइए, वो एक बहुत मस्त काम करते हैं, तो वो जरूर जाएंगे, क्यों नहीं जाएंगे?
ठीक है, ओके. देखो ऐसा है कि the thing is that is also marketing only. The person that is mouth to mouth marketing. Okay.
Yeah, that is traditional form of marketing, which is not given in Dentist Code of Ethics regulations. Arey, Dentist Code of Ethics regulations mein, do you want me to read out the law to you, sir? Because you have clearly not understood and you contradicted yourself so well in your speech. I think I should point out the law to you so that you understand what the law is. It says whether advertising, whether directly or indirectly, or for the purpose of obtaining patients or promoting his own professional advantage or acquiescing in the publication of notice, commending or directing attention to the practitioner's skills, knowledge, service, qualifications is defined as unethical, equal to the conniving at or aiding in any kind of illegal practice. Abhi aap boliye.
Even I have one statement. Any advertisement by dentists should be limited to announcement of opening of practice, change in address, change
and associate, addition of associate.
Yeah. तो ये जो है जब भी
तो इनमें तो प्रूफ होता ही नहीं कि आपके सर्जिकल स्किल्स कितने सुपीरियर है, तो इनसे तो पेशेंट को क्या पता चलेगा अगर आपने अपना क्लिनिक मूव करा है, इफ यू मूव योर क्लिनिक समवेयर एल्स।
Akshay, yeah, sir. Just 1 second. Give him 1 second.
Yeah. ठीक है. The thing is कि we have done whatever things are best. I am not opening the clinic in barren land, but the thing is I am not getting adequate patients कि which is fulfilling my dreams. Okay. अभी मेरे को अपने सपनों को पूरा करना है, ठीक है. मेरे को जो भी है whatever is my dreams. Okay. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि skill is not important. Skill is equally important and more important actually. What I am telling, I am competent enough, but I should market myself so that I get even more patients. Okay, this is what I want to tell.
Okay. Last concluding statements, or this is going to go on. Okay. We will end it here itself, I guess. Make Akshara the dental marketing police. She knows about us. Okay, so thank you, both of you. It was a really good one. And the next, we start with against the motion. Akshara, I'll put you at the end since you have been coming again and again. So we'll start from the last participant. That was Abhishek Maikar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your question is directed to?
Sorry?
Your question, whom would you like to ask the question to?
I will be asking to Divansh.
Divyansh, Divyaraj, okay.
Divyaraj, okay.
Yeah, the first participant. Divyaraj, if you could come online.
Yes.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah, you can start the question.
Okay. सर जी, मुझे ये आप बात बताइए कि आप रूरल एरिया में जाके एडवर्टाइजिंग कैसे बताओगे पेशेंट, जो रूरल एरिया के जो लोग हैं, वहाँ के आदिवासी गांव है जिन्होंने कभी डेंटिस्ट को देखा ही नहीं है, तो आप वहां पर जाके मार्केटिंग कैसे करोगे?
सर मैं ऑलरेडी एक आदिवासी एरिया से बिलोंग करता हूँ, ट्राइबल एरिया से, झाबुआ डिस्ट्रिक्ट एमपी से, तो आपको इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर मेरे से ज्यादा बेटर और कोई नहीं दे पाएगा.
गुड.
मार्केटिंग के कई तरीके हैं. सोशल मीडिया, ऐसा अगर आप किसी ट्राइबल एरिया में रहते हो, इसका मतलब वहाँ पे पूरी 100% पॉपुलेशन ट्राइबल है, वहाँ पे जनरल लोग भी रहते हैं, दूसरे लोग भी रहते हैं, तो वो आपको सोशल मीडिया पे फॉलो करते हैं. आप सोशल मीडिया पे अगर अपने केसेस डालते हो तो लोग आपको देख करके उनको लगता है कि हाँ ये डॉक्टर है, यहाँ पे इनका क्लिनिक है, इनको ये चीजें आती है, और आप इनके यहाँ पे जाएंगे तो हमारा काम हो जाएगा. दूसरा, अगर कोई पेशेंट मेरे पास आता है, ऐसा व्यक्ति जिसने कभी डेंटिस्ट का नाम नहीं सुना है, जिसने कभी डेंटिस्ट को देखा नहीं है, वो मेरे पास आता है एज अ पेशेंट पेन लेकर के या दर्द लेकर के, मैं उसको अगर रूट कैनाल या और भी कोई प्रोसीजर अच्छे से उसके लैंग्वेज में, ट्राइबल लैंग्वेज में अगर नहीं समझाऊंगा तो वो ऑब्वियसली वो प्रोसीजर नहीं करवाएगा. तो अगर मैं उसको वो प्रोसीजर समझाऊंगा तो अगर उसका ट्रीटमेंट अच्छा होगा, वो जाएगा गाँव में, और अगर उसकी किसी और को ये प्रॉब्लम होती है तो वो अगर उससे कंसल्ट करेगा या बताएगा कि ऐसा ऐसा भी एक प्रोसीजर होता है जो वो वाले साहब ने मुझे बताया था, तो वो दूसरे पेशेंट को भेजेगा. तो ये एक तरह की मार्केटिंग हो गई. दूसरा, क्लिनिक पे बोर्ड लगाना भी एक तरह की मार्केटिंग होती है. तीसरा, कंसल्टेंसी. जैसे कि मान लो मैं जनरल डेंटिस्ट्री की प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, लेकिन मैं अपने क्लिनिक पे क्या ऑर्थो का ट्रीटमेंट नहीं करूंगा, मैं अपने क्लिनिक पे क्या ओरल सर्जरी का ट्रीटमेंट नहीं करूंगा. ऑब्वियसली करूंगा, भले मुझे नहीं आता, लेकिन मैंने बोर्ड अगर लगा रखा है तो उस पर सारी चीजें मैंने लिख दूंगा कि मैं ये यहाँ पे ऑर्थो का ट्रीटमेंट भी होता है, ब्रेसेस का भी ट्रीटमेंट होता है, ये भी होता है, वो भी होता है. ठीक है, अब पेशेंट आएगा मेरे पास, तो अब मेरे पास तो स्किल्स नहीं है ना ऑर्थोडोंटिक्स की, ओरल सर्जरी की, लेकिन पेशेंट आएगा तो क्या उसका काम नहीं होगा? कंसल्टेंसी होती है ना, तो कंसल्टेंसी, मैं अपने कंसल्टेंट को बुला करके अपने क्लिनिक पे काम करवाऊंगा, तो ये भी एक तरह की मार्केटिंग होगी.
बट मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि वो बंदे ने ऑलरेडी देखा ही नहीं है, उसको ट्रांसपोर्ट का प्रॉब्लम है. एज यू नो द थिंग्स कि कुछ आदिवासी गांव है जहां पर उन लोग को डेंटिस्ट क्या है यही पता नहीं है, वहां पर उन लोग को लेके जाना. सो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली जो पेशेंट्स होते हैं वो कन्विंस नहीं होते हैं, कि वो लोग का यही मानना होता है कि जो पुराने लोग हैं कि हम लोग का दांत ऐसे निकल जाता है तो निकल जाने, तो हमको आगे की ट्रीटमेंट नहीं करनी है. तो वहां पर आपका मार्केटिंग क्या स्किल बताएंगे आप?
सर ये 21वीं सदी है. सर ये 21वीं सदी है. अब वो बात नहीं है कि आदिवासी यहाँ पर पत्ते पहन के घूमते हैं, ऐसा कुछ है. उनके पास फोन भी है, उनके बच्चे भी स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं. गांव-गांव में स्कूल खुल चुका है, गांव-गांव में हॉस्पिटल खुल चुका है और बिना मार्केटिंग के अवेयरनेस नहीं है. गांव-गांव में टीवी है और गांव-गांव में हर व्यक्ति के पास मोबाइल है. मोबाइल पे हर तरह के एड्स आते हैं. पेस्ट का एड आता है, टूथब्रश का एड आता है, टीवी पे एड आता है. तो वो एड देखेगा तो उसको पता चलेगा ना. तो बिना मार्केटिंग के उसको पता ही नहीं चलेगा.
बराबर है, आई एम एग्री विद यू. बट कुछ गांव ऐसे होते हैं जहां पर अभी तक वो फैसिलिटीज नहीं है. जैसे कि मैं कुछ गांव में विजिट करता हूँ, कैंप करता हूँ, तो वहां पर मुझे उनको A to Z चीजें बतानी पड़ती है, समझानी पड़ती है. आई हैव टू स्टे विद देम फॉर 2 days. मार्केटिंग नहीं होगा बॉस, मैंने अपना स्किल बताया वहां पर. मैं अपना स्किल बता रहा हूँ कि ये चीज होती है, ये चीज नहीं होती है.
एडवर्टाइज करना अपने स्किल को,
नहीं, एडवर्टाइज नहीं बोल सकते आप. आपके पास जो पढ़ा है वो आपको उनको बताना है, तो उसमें मार्केटिंग नहीं हुआ. आप अगर बैनर लगा के बता रहे हो कि ये है, तो मैं उसको बोल सकता हूँ कि वो मार्केटिंग है. बट जो उनको पता ही नहीं उनके दांत के अंदर क्या है क्या नहीं है.
Okay,
चाहे बैनर लगा के बताओ.
Basic knowledge is not a marketing. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you both of you. And I think it was very modest of you, Abhishek, to agree that at some points he was right and vice versa.
Right, sir. Exactly.
So
but the knowledge is giving is not a marketing, sir.
Yeah, that is true. That is true too. Okay, thank you both of you. We go ahead with Adhikansh Jaggi. Adhikansh?
Yes.
Okay. Whom would you like to ask your question to?
I would like to ask my question from Harsh Parikh.
Okay. Harsh, if you could come online. Harsh, go ahead, Adhikansh.
So you are for the motion. You are speaking for the motion. So you agree that marketing is more necessary than rather than quality over the quality. So I would like to place a scenario again in front of you that one person did his marketing and he did it very well. Many saw that and many patients arrived there, but he is not good with its quality. And he can't provide what he marketed, and he was not able to provide good dentures. He was not able to do extractions very well. And then what was the purpose of marketing? And he will only get publicity, and the career will be destroyed. So what are your views on that?
Okay. So can I answer?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Okay. First of all, why like this? I want to ask this that who does the marketing don't have the skill, and who don't do the marketing has the skill. This is not the thing. Actually, as you will start doing the practice, and you will know that there are so many senior dentists like who are very senior. I don't name them all, but there are so many senior dentists who do their good work, who are excellent in their practice, and they just portray their skills. You don't think that who are doing marketing don't have skills, and this is not the thing. I just want to tell you that if you are having the skills, you don't you don't tell them that, but you just have to show them that you are having these skills. You are having these equipments. You are having this microscope. You will do your you will do this root canal with this microscope.
Basically, you are saying that only marketing is necessary if you have skill. You said that only who does marketing, they should have skill. You only said that, and which you proved my point, because if they have a skill, then only they should market. If they don't have a skill, they should not market, and it won't be any helpful if they don't have a skill. Which proves that if you do marketing and you don't have a skill, that is useless. You said only that.
What I'm saying.
Last statement, last two sentences and conclude.
Okay, what I am saying that don't see the person who is doing this thing marketing. Don't think that he's not having the skills. Everybody has the right to do this marketing and portray their skills.
Okay, so in that that scenario I put against you was that if the person is marketing and he doesn't have a skill, then the marketing is useful or not. That was my point.
I want to ask you that who is deciding that he is not done this good work? That will be decided by the patient. If he is not satisfied with his work, although he is doing so much marketing, he is spending lakhs of rupees for marketing. But if a patient is going to him and he is not satisfied with his work, he will not go to him. So this is marketing. This thing will be decided by the patient.
Adikansh and Harsh, last one statement from both of you. First, Adikansh, you go.
Okay.
Just one statement.
His last statement, he only said that if he is spending lakhs of rupees in marketing and he doesn't have a skill, patient won't go to him again. Again, that was our point against the motion, because if they are spending lakhs of money on marketing and they doesn't have a skill, it doesn't matter. You should have a skill firstly, then only you should market. That's what our point.
Okay. Harsh, your last statement. Just one statement, okay?
Just he said that you should have a skill and then marketing. I also want to say that, but unless and until you don't market, then you will not get the patients, and you just have to sit ideally for the mouth publicity that this patient which I have treated excellently, he will tell this his relatives that go with this dentist. Why to sit ideally? You have just done the good work. You are having the skills. Why you are thinking that the person who is marketing
okay. Conclude. Yeah, done. The next we have is, thank you both of you. Next we have is Dinesh Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dinesh, your question is to
Pratibha Thakur, ma'am.
Okay. Can we have Pratibha online? Go ahead, Dinesh. Ask your question.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. You said that you posted a patient scenario in your Instagram page. I'll just ask you only one thing. Will you post any of your work that is not a skillful work in your Instagram page for marketing?
I posted the things I've done. That doesn't mean ki if I don't market, how people will come to know. From the first year PG and graduation, we will know that how to do a basic carving, a basic extraction, a basic root canal, and everything related to dentistry is all we know. But we don't know how to market the soft skills which are important to open a clinic or set up a clinic, and so the patient can come and know. But if we don't know how to do marketing and the other soft skill or personality things which are more important after your dentistry, after your BDS, or after your post-graduation, this doesn't mean because you expend your parents' money in that, you invested parents' money in that. So you have to be a successful person first, I think. So marketing is important in this social media, I think.
Yes, ma'am. You're saying that marketing is necessary for a successful person, but a skillful. Ma'am, let me complete. We are saying that a successful person needs marketing, but a successful person should be a skillful person to be a successful person, because to market you have to say marketing. To do marketing, you should have a good stuff with you, that is a good hand skill works with you. Without a good hand skill works, if you go to the market, what are you going to sell? You're going to sell only your handful works, hand skilled works. So to sell your hand skilled works, only you are going to market. To go to market, you need a hand skilled work. So directly or indirectly, or anyway, you sure depend on your hand skilled works for do marketing. Am I right?
No, I'm not saying that you are completely wrong, but according to a survey done few months ago, that 80% is based on marketing and 20% is your domain or your work or your skills. Because in this social media, it's not just a media. In fact, it is the key to listen, engage, and build relationship with the people, your patient, I can say. So it is more important that you focus on marketing also, because in all the 5 years or 3 years PG, we just know how to do that, how to do extraction, how to do surgical or anything, we just know. But if we can't explain or we can't do on the patient, there is no use in your professional life.
Yes, ma'am. There is no use of. There's no use.
Just one. You will have 2 sentences, and then she'll just have 2 sentences. Just conclude.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Till the entire dentistry of your life, UG, PG, you will be learning to do a hand-skilled, proper work to attain normal dentition, normal functions. So you are just marketing your hand-skilled works. Without your hand-skilled works, you cannot go for a market to do marketing. This is my concluding statement, sir.
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Sorry. I am saying that skills are important, but if you can't do marketing, if you can't show your work to people, there is no use of that skill. That's it.
Okay. Thank you, both of you. We have the last participant for round 2. Akshara Nair.
Yes, sir. So yes, sir. So actually, I have a question for almost everyone.
Who would you like to direct your question?
Sure, but I think I'd stick to Dr. Saurabh Malik, sir.
Okay.
Because he made a contradiction that was so clear, not just during his introductory speech, he proved it again during the rebuttal round. He proved my point so well. Dr. Saurabh Malik,
so
sir.
We have the dental marketing police for you once again.
Sure, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Because the thing is, I accept the thing. Okay, skills are important. That is it. Huh?
No. Sir, you haven't listened to my question yet. Sir, I'll pick out a line from your speech only. आपने कहा कि अच्छा काम नहीं है तो marketing की क्या जरूरत? Thank you so much. You proved my point, sir. कि surgical skills are more important than marketing. Surgical skills अगर नहीं है तो आप market नहीं कर पाओगे. बिल्कुल, आप agree करते हैं मेरे साथ? Thank you. You proved my point. I think that's the end of the rebuttal because he is agreeing with me. He's agreeing with my stance. That surgical skills are more important than marketing.
Surgical skills are important. ठीक है, देखो ऐसा नहीं, ये ऐसी बात हो गई कि जैसे एक बंदूक है तुम्हारे पास, ठीक है, you are having a gun and you want to prove it whether it is good or bad. ठीक है, marketing is a tool, ठीक है, which can be used either of the ways. अच्छा भी है उसका, बुरा भी है, ठीक है. The one who is using it is, मतलब कि जो यूज कर रहा है वो बंदूक को, he can justify it whether it is used for good purpose.
आप एक बंदूक को गुड पर्पस के लिए कैसे यूज करेंगे?
अगर मैं अपनी सेफ्टी के लिए कर रहा हूँ या अपने देश को बचा रहा हूँ तो दैट इज फॉर गुड पर्पस. इट कैन नॉट बी टोल्ड एज कि हाँ भाई बंदूक खराब चीज है. बंदूक इज गुड थिंग.
तो अगर आप बंदूक रख रहे हो तो अगेन यू आर गोइंग अगेंस्ट द लॉ. बट यहाँ पे भी आप मार्केट कर रहे हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग अगेंस्ट द लॉ. सो माई क्वेश्चन इज सर्जिकल स्किल्स अगर एक इंसान के if he has bad surgical skills, do you think he'll be able to market himself? Because I believe कि surgical skills को ही तो हम market कर सकते हैं, है ना? जो है नहीं उसको तो market कर नहीं सकते.
ये बात तो मैंने खुद ही बोला था कि हाँ ऐसा है कि अगर मेरे पास कुछ है तो मैं उसको मार्केटिंग करूंगा, लेकिन मार्केटिंग इज अ इम्पोर्टेंट टूल. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग.
So that is not the point of the debate. That is not the point of the debate. The point of the debate, my stance is to prove that surgical skills are more important than marketing. And you have proved my point. Thank you, sir.
That sums it up. I think, thank you both of you. I think now we have concluded with the round 2 and we move forward to the round 3 where you'll be given 1 minute. Please keep it to the point. One concluding statement. One concluding speech of 1 minute, and that's it, you're done. So here we start with Diviraj once again, speaking for the motion.
Hello.
Diviraj, go ahead.
Okay. So today we had a very great discussion with everyone.
Diviraj, once again, Dhrumil, you'll be keeping the time, right? 1 minute.
Yeah, yes.
Keeping the record.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead, Diviraj.
Okay, so today we had a great discussion about marketing and skills. Some people are saying that skills are important. Some people are saying that marketing is important. But according to me, they both should go. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं हम सभी को पता है कि दोनों चीजें हैंड इन हैंड जानी चाहिए, तभी एक डेंटिस्ट सक्सेसफुल हो सकता है. बिना मार्केटिंग के अवेयरनेस पॉसिबल नहीं है और बिना स्किल्स के पेशेंट का वेलफेयर पॉसिबल नहीं है. और जैसा कि अक्षरा जी ने कहा था कि अगर आप स्किल्स नहीं होंगी तो आप मार्केटिंग कैसे करेंगे, मैं उनके लिए एक स्टेटमेंट कहना चाहता हूँ कि अगर स्किल्स नहीं होगी तो हम कंसल्टेंसी से अपनी मार्केटिंग करेंगे. दूसरे डेंटिस्ट को बुला करके हम अपने क्लिनिक पे वो काम करवाएंगे जो हमें नहीं आता है. और बिना मार्केटिंग के अवेयरनेस पॉसिबल नहीं है और डेंटिस्ट की ग्रोथ पॉसिबल नहीं है. यही मेरा मानना है. इसी के साथ मैं एंड करना चाहता हूँ. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Diviraj. Next we have is Dr. Harsh Parekh. So please keep it very short, everybody, to the point.
Okay, so obviously I will say for the motion, and I will conclude my statement with this statement that and I will give you this example of vaccine that you know that you have prepared a vaccine of COVID which has 70 to 80% of efficacy, and then you are marketing that this vaccine is good, it does not have a side effect. If you do not market it, if you do not do that, the layman person who don't know that this vaccine is safe and they are having some doubts in their mind, so our PM will come on the television and he will say and he will market that he himself take the vaccine and he will portray that the vaccine is safe. Unless and until he don't do that, he don't do this marketing, then nobody will feel that this is safe. So that's
okay. Thank you, Harsh. Next is Pratibha Thakur.
Hi everyone. So I'm just saying that socializing with people is important. So maximum people can know about your skill, your facility, your behavior. How can you add value to their lives through your dental practice? And one of my against person said कि अगर आदिवासी एरिया में हम जाएंगे तो उनको कैसे हम लोग बताएंगे वगैरह. So with the help of NGO, with the help of camp, with the help of events, हम उनसे मिल सकते हैं, हम उनसे बातें करेंगे. They will come to know that you are a good human being. If they trust वो build up हो जाता है कैसे good human being हमारा, तो वो they will trust you as a dentist also. So with the help of that हम उनसे बातचीत करेंगे, उनसे मिलेंगे. हमारे इसमें हमारी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स भी काम आती है, हमारी कम्युनिकेशन भी काम आता है काफी हद तक. So that is also a form of marketing. So NGO is also a part of marketing. So with the help of events, socializing, increasing network, हम marketing हम कर सकते हैं. I will give you just example कि हम जैसे रेस्टोरेंट जाते हैं तो we see a jar. अगर वो empty होगा तो हम उसमें नहीं करेंगे कि if no one is giving time. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Pratibha. You had just 1 minute. Next we have is Dr. Saurabh Malik.
Is it audible?
Yeah.
So in concluding point, I want to say marketing is a tool which has to be used carefully. Okay. And the thing is,
so you're not audible.
Hello.
So your voice is not clear.
Hello.
Yeah, now it is audible. If you could restart for us.
Okay. The concluding point, what I wanted to add is, marketing is a tool which has to be used for your improvement. ठीक है, ऐसा है कि अपने को जरूरत है. अगर मैंने स्किल अचीव कर लिया है, मैंने मतलब कि मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि स्किल इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. स्किल इज इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट एंड इट शुड गो हैंड बाय हैंड. वो साथ साथ ही चलना चाहिए. ठीक है. और तो मैं इसको एक्चुअली ऐसा बना सकता हूँ, मतलब लास्ट स्टेटमेंट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल इज कि मार्केटिंग द success of dentist may be dependent on marketing for a short period of time. ठीक है. But over a long period of time, it is hard work, quality of work and skills which decides its success. बस यही है last statement. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, speaking of the members of the against the motion, I'd like to request Akshat and I to please come forward and give the concluding speech.
Sure, sir. I think I'm a person who made it amply clear, not just in my introductory speech, even during the rebuttal round, that I completely stand by my stance. That is, surgical skills are any day more important than marketing, because A, you can only advertise yourself only if you have something to advertise in the first place, skills in this scenario. Otherwise, you are out and out conning people. B, for a person who considers himself more of a businessman than a doctor, you would stoop further low by giving out discounts and freebies just to attract patients on a skill that should otherwise be non-negotiable, thereby disrespecting the profession that is your bread and butter and diminishing the respect we command as dentists and healthcare professionals. In the end, I'd like to ask a question to each one of you all, as Peltier did. Do dentists want to be doctors serving the public or merchants like small business entrepreneurs? When you answer, please do remember that dentists and merchants live in two very different ethical worlds and have very different roles and responsibilities in the community. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshara. Next we have is Dinesh Kumar.
Yes, sir. A warm good evening, and thank you, and I appreciate all of my participants who have done extremely well in this scenario. But to conclude in content, if you go to a market, you should have a product. If you have a good product, you should have a good skill. Without having a good skill product, if you go to the market, there is no use. You are not going to market your empty hands. You are going to market your skilled works in the market. Without skilled works, there is no use of market and no use of marketing. Thank you.
Thank you for keeping it to the point. Next we have is Adhikansh Jaggi. Adhikansh, your concluding speech?
Yes. Good evening again. And I would like to say, in every dentist, world need an artist. And if you are not good at it, you won't survive this profession. Everyone is saying that marketing is important, marketing is necessary. Yeah, marketing is necessary, but since our topic is marketing, success depends on marketing rather than quality, which is not so correct. Because first you should have your quality. You should be confident in your treatment. Then only you can market yourself. Without that, you won't survive this profession. You won't do good to patient, and you won't do good to society. Thank you.
Thank you, Adhikansh. We have the last participant for the entire event, Abhishek Maikar, who spoke against the motion, to have your concluding speech.
Good evening to everyone. Once again, thank you for everyone for cooperation. So today the topic was against the marketing. I am going to support for against the marketing. So I just want to conclude all the things that success comes with the quality, not with the marketing. And whatever you have the knowledge till the depth of your life, it will be carry forward with you, not the marketing. And marketing is also good for some times, but it should not like an handicap that you have to take some kind of a support for your making success of your career or your dentistry. We are here to make a patient proud and make them smile. So that was my all things. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you, each one of you, all the participants. You were truly great, and I love the rebuttal round. It was very much informative and everything. I would like to hand over the session to Saloni, and also I would like Sujit sir to please come online for his valuable words.
I'm here only.
Yeah. Okay.
I must say, all of you did a really great job, and the rebuttal round was on fire. I hope everybody enjoyed it. Even I enjoyed it. And I would like, sir, you to sum up regarding the performance of the participants.
Okay. First of all, congratulations, everyone. You did well. So I would just give inputs based on the three things which I always say: what you did well, what you did not do well, and what you could have done differently. Okay. So what you did well was everybody tried to prove their point really nice, and a few of you were actually prepared, and few of you were not so prepared. You tried to take it on like H tempo, jaisa aega ball waisa six marenge kind of. So that was very much reflected in your talks, and your body language also tells a lot about how well or not you are prepared for anything. So what you did well, you tried your best and you gave your best actually. What you did not do well, because I think literally 50% of you were not actually prepared for this. That means you actually should have, or what you can then do better next time, like do more homework, more study. Like there were so many points which, you know, your so-called opponents were throwing at you, which you could have really taken, you know, them for a toss. It's probably because you were not prepared, or maybe one thing which I can really add some very valuable inputs to you through this. Two things you need to focus on: improve your listening skills, because this is one of the biggest problem across the world, that God has given us this in 2:1 proportion, and we normally use it otherwise. So that's one of the biggest problem of human beings. But then when you listen, see, when you speak, you can speak only what you know. But when you listen, you actually end up getting something which is more powerful, and at least you can take that thread and make it more powerful for yourself and your success in life. So improve your listening skills and observation skills as well. And if you're present in the present at any given point of time, you will end up doing much better. So having said that, that doesn't mean that you did not. Of course, all of you considering, you know, at whatever the stage, age you are, you have really done a wonderful job. And I must compliment and congratulate all of you for this. And I would also like to, you know, compliment the way Judge carried this entire debate, and Saloni and Dhumil for, you know, giving this platform, because unless you have a pitch to play, you cannot show how good cricketing you are. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So who better than you would give a conclusion to this, and that would be revealed soon after a short time.
Thank you.
Yeah. As you said, sir, that if you don't have a pitch, you can't play the match. In the same way, for the debate point, both the things were important from my side, marketing as well as the skills. Skills stand on a more important aspect than marketing. It might be a 60-40 or 70-30 ratio, but all the participants were fantastic. I enjoyed the rebuttal round. Actually, I was getting that urge to just on the mic and start speaking like in between, but I had to control myself. So it was fantastic overall. And thank you so much, all the participants, for joining us in this event and make it look a little bit bigger. And at last, I would also like to thank Dr. Sujit sir for judging this event.
And the results are out. So the third position is backed by Dr. Pratibha Thakur. Pratibha, your idea of Colgate worked here. And congratulations to Dr. Pratibha Thakur. The second position is backed by Dr. Adhikansh Jaggi. Congratulations to Dr. Adhikansh. And the first position goes to, as Dr. Jash has already mentioned, the dental marketing police for the eve. That is Dr. Akshara Nair. Congratulations to Dr. Akshara Nair as well.
Thank you so much, and I congratulate all the winners of debate competition. The cash prizes of the event and the certificates to all the winners as well as the participants will be sent within a week on their email ID.